Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Waffle Girl garden. This unique gardening approach combines creativity with practical plant care, allowing you to cultivate a beautiful and productive space. We'll start by understanding the core concept, then move into gathering all the necessary materials. Choosing the right plants is crucial for success, so we'll cover suitable options for your new garden. Let's get started on creating your very own Waffle Girl garden. Now that you understand the basics, let's dive into planning and design. First, select an ideal sunny spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, carefully plan your garden's layout, thinking about how much space each plant needs to grow. Finally, prepare your soil mixture. A well-draining, nutrient-rich soil is essential for healthy plants and a thriving Waffle Girl garden. Proper preparation sets the stage for success. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep things smelling fresh and cool, even after a long day in the garden. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your design ready, it's time for planting and ongoing care. Gently place your chosen seeds or seedlings into the prepared soil, following recommended depths. Establishing a consistent watering schedule is key. Aim for regular, deep watering without oversaturating. Keep a close eye out for any pests or diseases. Early detection and organic solutions will help keep your plants robust and your Waffle Girl garden flourishing throughout the season. Happy gardening! Ready to take your Waffle Girl garden to the next level? Consider implementing companion planting, where certain plants help deter pests naturally. You might also explore vertical gardening elements to maximize your growing space, especially if you have a smaller area. Don't forget about natural fertilization methods, like composting, to provide your plants with essential nutrients for robust and healthy growth. These techniques will truly enhance your garden's productivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.